The Goravanka, more commonly known as the common myna, is a highly vocal bird known for its diverse and often noisy repertoire. The Goravanka bird sounds can be categorized by their function and complexity. The standard vocalization include a series of croaks, quacks, chirps and gurgles. You will often hear loud shrill whistles and trills, especially during the dawn and dusk hours. When feeling threatened or harassed, they emit sharp high-pitched screams and distress call to alert others. One of the most famous traits is the ability to make other birds and even human speech when in captivity. In the wild, they are known to copy the sounds of their environment, although experts debate the extent of this compared to the hill manna. The Goravanka bird songs are often short, lasting only a few seconds, with different notes types repeated in rapid succession. During the song, they may perform a physical display such as bristling their feathers and making half bows. So the bird lovers say the Goravanka bird sound is perfect for relaxation, meditations, or simply reconnecting with nature. Every note tells a story of forest, open skies, and pure freedom. So if you enjoy natural bird calls, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing sounds from the wild. Thanks for listening to the Goravanka bird sound, nature's own music.